Hello, thank you so much for dropping by my channel again today. My name is Mdevaan. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. And if you aren't, here's another pocho recipe. This pocho is made with catfish. Okay, so I'm going to be serving this with okra and eba, which explains the little pot of okra that is boiling on the side. So as usual, guys, but I'm just pocho recipe, pocho recipe. So many on this channel. So mix is still basic. Pepper, fresh pepper, nune, which is iru, agbaye, our yiye, which is black pepper, and then I'm going to add onions and ginger. Yes, and seasoning, and our protein of choice, which today is catfish. So yeah, pocho recipe still basic, but this is a bit spicy as opposed to the last one that I did. So I did two mixed peppers here. I didn't just use tatashi. So this is a bit hot, hotter than usual, and that's because I'm eating this. So yeah, definitely very sweet. So basically pour in all your spices together. If you don't like ginger, you can skip it. I can't say if you don't like iru you should skip it, because nune or iru, as the Yorubas call it, is basically what the soup is about. So if you skip it, then it's just like red stew. So that's what gives it that thick, traditional, that smell, that flavor, that difference. That's what sets it apart from normal red stew. So our okra, I'm just going to serve this with plain okra, and our okra is almost done, and our pepper is boiling, and I'm going to add in our fish and then just let it boil. Let me know if you've tried any of my pocho recipes. I know a lot of people have tried the goat meat recipe and the goat meat pocho recipe and the chicken pocho recipe. So let me know if you've tried any of the recent ones. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, please hit like, please hit share. I know you have lots of friends who want to watch this and try new soups with their Nigerian swallows. Thanks again for watching. My name is Mdevaan. Please hit the subscribe button.